Hey everyone, it's Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. We are a blonde today and this wig is a beginner friendly, absolutely no glue needed. If you guys want to see how I install it from start to finish, then please continue to watch. Now the hair that I will be rocking in today's video, it is from Hairvivi. I've always loved their wigs because they are effortless. So I'm going to do a little unboxing. I was trying to be cute with this, but didn't work out. But this is pretty much everything that comes with the wig. You have the instructions on how to take care of the wig. And are you seeing that color? Absolutely gorgeous. And it's perfect for summer. I am so here for this. I've been wanting to have a nice blonde moment this summer and this is it. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It has the fake scalp and the lace, it's Swiss lace. So it is the most perfect lace because it melts into the skin flawlessly and perfectly. And I love the fact that this one is transparent as well. So this is how it looks. You do not need to pluck it, you do not need to color it, everything is already done for you. Hairvivi wigs are literally your personal stylist, unblemished. Right away you can just pop it on your head. You don't really need to do anything to make this wig looks good. I don't know who they have color in their wigs, but this is amazing. I love it. As you can see, I already have my wig cap. I'm not going to be doing the ball cap method because it is not necessary. This wig is glueless. So I'm just going to pop this wig on my head just to see how it is fitting. And the fit is great. It came in a center part, but you guys know I love me a side part. So I'm probably going to switch it. But I do love the center part as well. So look how clean that lace looks. I'm going to go in with these cuticle scissors and I'm going to start cutting the lace away. If you're new to this, it's better to cut it in sections. As you can see, I cut it in the middle first and then I'm going to do the other side, and I'm just kind of going like not in a straight line but kind of going jaggedy. Now you could use an eyebrow razor as well. This might be a little bit easier for you if you are a beginner. However, I personally prefer to use the scissors, but you know, it's just a preference of mine. And again, I do it in sections also to make it a lot easier for you guys instead of just cutting it straight across like one shot and done. But yeah, this is just how I cut my lace. And now the hardest part I always find is to cut right by the ear, but this is a glueless wig. Now I will say that this wig, the fit on it was pretty good. However, it was just a tad bit, just a little bit big on the sides for me. But besides from that, the fit was actually good and I'm still able to wear it in glueless. All right, so this is pretty much how the wig looks with absolutely no product. So this is glueless, so you could wear it just like this if you wanted to. Now I'm going to go in with my hot comb and I'm just going to flatten that down a bit. I haven't put any hair wax. I don't really love using hair wax in my wigs to flatten it down because I find that it just leaves the hair feeling a little bit on the greasy side. So I'm going to go in with my melting spray. This is my Sticky Little Secret melting spray, and I'm just going to apply this onto the wig just to help to flatten it down. So it's not a glue, it's a melting spray, but it does act as a hairspray as well. So that is why I'm using it. And this is how she is looking with no product. Now you can see a little bit of the side. So what I would do is I would just use some melting spray on the side, like right by the ear, or you can use tape. You can use wig tape as well, just to tape down the flops a little. Now I'm going to change the part and move to a side part. It actually look really good in the center part, but I'm going to move to a side part as well. So now when you do a side part, you want to go in with the flat iron, not a flat iron, a hot comb, because it's kind of like you're training the hair, and sometimes you have to add water to it just to train the parting. That's just how it works with wigs. You got to train the parting. And then I'm going to go in with the hot comb once again. I absolutely love this color. I love the fact that it's more of like a ashy blonde and the roots are just right. It is just perfect. Love it. Now, even though I think the lace looks pretty good, I'm going to go in with the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray, and I'm going to give the lace a more seamless and flawless finish. So I'm just applying this to the hairline. I'm going to go in with the rat tail comb as well. As you can see, I added to the tip of my finger and just tap it into the lace. You really don't need a lot of the product, just a little bit. And I also put it right by the ear as well, so it doesn't have that lift. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my melting band on top of this. And I just leave this on for literally like 5 minutes. You can even leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. and voila, she is melted down. She looks amazing, and I'm just touching up that hairline, and I absolutely love how natural this hairline looks. I do not need any baby hair whatsoever. The color of this wig is absolutely gorgeous, and I love the fake scalp on this wig because I don't have to do the ball cap method. Honestly, this is super beginner friendly. The length on this wig is 18 inches, but honestly, it was given longer. Like, it's given more like 20 to 22 inches. So I'm so here for it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this video. Hopefully it was helpful to you, and all the hair info will be listed in the description box down below, so you can go ahead and check out Hairvivi. I have lots of other videos on Hairvivi, but this is my first time wearing one of their glueless wigs. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.